Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to discuss how you can stop receiving all commercial emails from the Indeed app on your phone. If you find your inbox flooded with promotional messages, first, open the Indeed app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the top right of your screen, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the menu. After that, select Settings from the menu. Next, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Communication Settings. Then, select Email to view your email preferences. After opening the email settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Unsubscribe from all commercial emails. Finally, click on this option to stop receiving promotional and marketing emails from Indeed. Once you have completed this process, you will no longer receive unwanted commercial emails, keeping your inbox organized and free from clutter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.